Hey everyone, welcome back to Dry Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 benefits of bulk paint protection film installations. Let's get into it. All right, so if you're getting into paint protection film installing, you're going to know about pre-cut templates and bulk PPF installations. I've got 2 previous videos where I talk about the benefits and the cons of doing pre-cut template PPF installations, and in this video I'm going to talk about the 3 benefits to doing bulk paint protection film installs. So number 1, you have lots of material to work with. As much as this sucks having to waste so much material by cutting off this excess material and having to throw it away and not being able to use it for other stuff, this can be a real huge plus in the situation of doing a bulk hood. For example, like a big Range Rover hood. You don't want to be doing a pre-cut template on a Range Rover hood. You want to be doing a bulk PPF install on something like that, because you're going to have excess material that you can work with, that you can stretch with. It's just going to make the install go a lot easier. The downside is that you're going to have to cut it all off and throw a bunch of it away as well too. If you're going to be doing bulk paint protection film, for example, on a Tesla Model Y front bumper, having a lot more material to stretch with to be able to get the film to take its shape of the bumper, that's a really huge benefit. It gives you more to work with, better places to grab, and it actually requires less of the material to get it into place than it would otherwise. So definitely, my personal opinion, the number 1 benefit of bulk PPF is just having more material to work with. All right, now the second benefit of bulk paint protection film is it's a whole lot easier to get much better coverage when you're doing a PPF installation. A lot of the times in a PPF installation, if you're doing a bumper, if you're doing it bulk, you're able to eliminate a lot of seams and relief cuts and that type of stuff, and it's just going to help you have a much easier time being able to get full coverage and just have an overall better paint protection film installation. And at the end of the day, it's going to make your customer happy because you've done a much better job of having a nearly invisible paint protection film install. All right, now the third benefit, in my personal opinion, when it comes to doing bulk paint protection film installs, and I'm kind of piggyback off the second one, is you can avoid a lot of seams. Now, with pre-cut templates, you have seams and you have relief cuts. Depending on the bumper, depending on the vehicle, you're gonna have seams and relief cuts in specific places around the panel that you're gonna have to line up. And when you're lining up those seams, you have to do a really good job lining up the material to make sure that it's as close to invisible as possible. With bulk, if you stretch it properly, you stretch in the right sequence to get it installed, you can avoid a lot of those seams and relief cuts. So, super short video, just want to touch on my top 3 benefits of bulk paint protection film installation. And if you guys enjoyed that video, I hope you did. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.